like a present. Is it your birthday, girl? Ooh. Woo. It's on me, ladies. Gon' get it if you want it. It's free, ladies. Feel good when you're rolling with me, don't it?
Happy 18th birthday, President Kabututan!
Read about the shit they say. Since that my team the same, I started from the bottom with my hoes. Love y'all so fucking much. Don't mean to get emotion. You know me and Patron. When you've been through the most, you gotta do.
Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Kelly! We love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Get out!
Is it your birthday, girl? Cause you looking like a present. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it. Is it your birthday, girl? Make a wish 11-11. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Aw, shit. It's your birthday, girl. How many candles you want on that cake, bitch?
Mula bata po yan, nung ipanganak namin. Talagang cute na yan. Pinanggigigilan yan. Chubby kasi siya nung bata siya. Tapos, pumayat. Kasi conscious din siya sa, figure niya. Ang problema nga lang, hindi na siya ganong tumangkad.
He said, let's get out of this town, drive out of the city, away from the crowds. I thought heaven can't help me now, nothing lasts forever. But this is gonna take me down. He's so tall and handsome.
Now guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as we welcome our beautiful debutante, no other than Feby Claire Kabututan, and may we give her a round of applause, please.
Say you remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. Wildest dreams.
Happy birthday, Feby. I hope and pray that life takes you on a journey you never imagined, bringing you to a destination that gives you immense peace of mind and surrounds you with a lot of love and the best moments. Again, I am wishing you a happy
So
birthday.
tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well. And when we
Happy 18th birthday again, anak ko. Walang iyakan. Sabi ko, walang iyakan. Ito na yung gift na pinakamimithi mo, na hinihiling mo sa amin ni Daddy mo. Sana matuwa ka na. Sana lagi kang magpakabait, anak, ha? Mag-aaral mabuti. Happy birthday, anak. We love you.
wildest dreams. You've seen me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burn it down. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around. You'll see me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burning it down. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around. Say you remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just pretend.